So it's no denial that people are making a lot of money with print on demand.
$3 million in revenue,
bringing in a couple $100s a month.
3 months ago, you can see that we are now over $28,000 in sales.
Over $224,000.
$69,814 in total passive income.
And why this is the best business to get started with is because all the hard part have been taken care of. All you have to do is to create a design that people want and list it out, and immediately people buy it, you make profit. So that's basically how easy this is. Now I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set this business up, exactly how to create a design, how to come up with ideas, and exactly where to sell this product. So by the end of this video, you can go out there and start a print on demand business. Now if that sounds like what you want to see, pay attention, because I'm about to show you some high level stuff right here. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. Now first off, if you want to start a print on demand business, you're going to be needing a provider, and the one I recommend you use is Printify. So you can come over to printify.com, or you can click on the first link down in the description. Now once you come over here, you see the homepage. It says create and sell custom products, 100% free, over 1,000+ products, and global delivery. Okay, so as you can see, these guys are the best. They have a ton of products, and I'm going to show you why this is important somewhere around this video. Okay, once you are here, you can just click on get started for free, or you can click on sign up on the top. Okay, so basically once you click on sign up on the top, it's going to redirect you straight to the sign up page. Now I don't really need to explain exactly how to fill out an email and the password. You can go ahead and do that. Click on sign up, or you can sign up using your Google account. Now once you do that, you're going to get inside of Printify, and once you are inside of Printify, it's going to look something like this. Now this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Now if you head over to their catalog, you can see all the different products that they have. You can click on any of these products. Let's say t-shirt for an example. You can click on that, and you can see all the different products that they have. Now you don't just start creating a design from thin air. You get to do your research, know exactly what's working, and from there you can go ahead and create your design. Now basically there are two major ways of creating a design that works. You can work with the current season, or you can target people based on their interest. Now when it comes to targeting people based on their interest, there are tons of niches. Okay, if I come over to ChatGPT right here and ask ChatGPT for print on demand niches, what's going to happen is ChatGPT is going to spit out a bunch of print on demand niches. Okay, you can just target people based on any niche you want to go into. Okay, so as you can see, it keeps coming up with a lot of niches. Now I'm not going to be going with niches. Okay, you can go with niches, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to go with the season. Okay, at the time I'm recording this video, we are on the Christmas season, so I'm just going to work with the season. But in your case, if you want to go with a niche, you can actually do that as well. And by the time I'm done explaining everything inside of this video, you can apply that with whatever way you choose to go with your print on demand business. Okay, so first off, find a niche, or you go with the season that you are currently in. Because I'm going with the Christmas season, I need to do a little bit of research. Now for that, we're going to be using Etsy. Now Etsy is a great place for selling, so I've already went ahead and installed a tool right here called alora.io, and you can use this tool as well. This tool is going to give you some insights on Etsy. Okay, so if I click on Alora right here, you see a bunch of stats. So for example, this Merry Christmas shirt sold 180 copies, and if I click on it, you see how much they have generated with this one shirt. Okay, so far they just made $5,000 with this shirt, and this is a small amount of money compared to what some products are making during the Christmas period. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this all out, and I'm going to go ahead and search for the keyword Christmas. Okay, and I'm going to pull up Alora once again, so I can show you guys some stats real quick before I start picking the product I'm going to be working with inside of this video. Okay, so let's click on this one as an example. So far, this product has made $34,000, and I'm going to click on another product. So this month alone, this product has sold 15,000 copies, and if I click on it, you see how much they have generated, about $279,000. Okay, so there's a lot of potential inside of this site. Okay, and what they're selling are stockings, so they have generated over $200,000. So I'm not going to be selling stockings. I'm going to be starting with this product, because as you can see right here, it's pretty popular right now at this period. Okay, if I click over over here you see what they have done with their product. Okay, so all they have done is they made a hood and they just added a beautiful Merry Christmas design, and that's what I'm going to go ahead and replicate. I'm going to replicate something like this. Now the site you want to use for creating designs is Canva. Okay, so come over to Canva. It's literally free. Come over here, create an account, and once you create an account, you want to go ahead and put together your designs. Okay, so this is basically the Canva homepage. Once you are here, go ahead and click on print, click on there, and once you click on there, you want to go ahead and click on this arrow and you want to locate where they have hoodies. Okay, click on hoodie, and I want to go ahead and create a design right here inside of Canva. Okay, so we're going to allow it to load and we're going to go ahead and create a design. Okay, so what I'm going to do is at this design section, I want to go ahead and search for Christmas. Okay, and over here, as you can see, we're going to be presented with a bunch of Christmas templates. Okay, so you can look at what they have here and find the one that you're going to be customizing for your designs. Okay, I'm going to be working with this first one. I'm going to drag it here and I'm going to go ahead and edit it a little bit. Okay, so over here it says chilling with snowmies, this sort of like snow and homies. I'm going to change this to Merry Christmas. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so basically this is how it's looking now. You can go ahead and edit the color. So I'm going to make this red actually, and I'm going to add some designs to this. So I'm going to come over to the elements tab here and I'm going to search for Christmas. I'm going to search for Christmas and I'm going to go ahead and find something to add here. Okay, so I'm going to do see all on the graphics section, and over here as you can see we have some things that we can use to add here. Okay, so I'm going to drag this here. I want to make it small, drag it here, duplicate and keep it here, do that again, do that again, and do that again. Okay, so this is how it's looking, and I'm just going to add some Christmas trees here. I'm going to get rid of both of these things and I'm going to replace it with the Christmas trees. Okay, I'm just coming up with this here because I don't want my design to look generic. Okay, I'm going to keep this here. It's not looking that good. I'm just going to keep this, bend it, get rid of this one, duplicate this and tilt this. Okay, so basically this is how it looks like. Now in your case, you want to go ahead and edit this, come up with something nice. Okay, there are a bunch of elements that you can work with when it comes to designing things on Canva right here. Okay, there are a lot of things at your disposal, so just go ahead and edit everything in your own way so it's going to look as good as possible. Okay, but in my case I'm just going to work with this. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and download this. Okay, so once it's done downloading, I'm going to go ahead and create a shirt. Okay, so I'm going to head over to Printify right here and I'm going to go ahead and choose one of their products. Okay, so what you can do is you can go ahead and go for the best seller, the one that's proven to sell, or you can work with any one of your choice. But in my case, I'm going to go for the best seller, so I'm going to click on that one and scroll down right here and I'm going to leave this as it is, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on start designing right here. And once I click on start designing, it's going to send me here, and from here I can go ahead and start uploading my designs. Okay, I'm going to click on upload right here, click on my device, and I'm going to upload the design I just designed right here. Okay, and it's basically going to start uploading. So basically this is how exactly it looks. I'm going to cancel this out. You can click on the back side, and if you want to add anything there you can just add it, but I'm just going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save product. Okay, basically once I click on that, it's going to redirect me here, and over here you can go ahead and customize your price. Okay, now if I want to customize my price, it's very simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and check one of these if you want to customize it for this size, and go ahead and click on edit price, and you can basically set your price right here if you want to sell it for $100 or $50 or whatever. Okay, but I'm just going to work with the normal price that they left it at. I'm going to work with this price, and over here you can see your profit that you're going to get for each sale you make. Okay, you're going to be making $14 here, $14 here, $15. And if you need a mock-up, you can just scroll the way up, and over here you can click on mock-up library, and that's going to send you to where you can go ahead and get a mock-up. So I'm just going to download this lady here because I'm going to be needing this somewhere around this video. You might want to download this with a transparent background and add a background to this so it's going to look natural, because this really affects how people perceive your listing. Okay, but we're just going to skip that part here. Okay, we're just going to skip that part. So I'm going to head back actually, and I'm going to scroll all the way down. Now you can save this as draft, and also you can connect your store. Okay, so I haven't connected my store. I'm just going to leave this as it is, but we have already created a design here, so we're going to come back for this. Now we're going to be selling this on Etsy. Okay, now what I recommend you do when you want to create your Etsy account is you use an anti-detect browser. Now what anti-detect browser does is it helps you manage multiple accounts and stay organized. Now this will help you in case you want to do multiple niches at the same time and you want to manage multiple stores. Also, you want to use this browser so you can stay protected from bans, because these bans happen, and when it happens it causes a lot of problems. I'm going to pop up on the screen a person that got banned, so you want to use this so you're not going to end up like these people. So when your account get banned, you can proceed with your business and you're not going to have any issues. That's why I use Dolphin, and it's a great tool, so you can basically use it for your own business as well. Okay, so just come over here, sign up for an account. Basically, I don't need to explain how to sign up for an account, and just go ahead and download this for your own device. And basically you don't have to worry, they're going to give you 10 browser profiles for free, and it's more than enough to get started with this. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and open my own Dolphin account, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so basically this is how my own account looks like. Now in your case, yours is going to be 100% blank, so you don't have to focus on all the complicated buttons. Okay, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on create profile on the top, and once you click on that, you want to go ahead and name your browser profile. So I can be like Etsy shop. Okay, so basically after that, I'm going to put the stats on new, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a proxy. Now for the proxy, we're going to be using this proxy provider called Node Maven. Okay, so basically this is how it looks like, and as you can see, they can give you clean IP addresses. And when it comes to proxy providers, there are very few companies that can give you clean IP addresses. Okay, so just come over here, create an account, start your trial, click on that. I'm going to leave a link in the description for your convenience. Once you create an account, I'm sure we all know how to create an account. So create an account, and once you create an account, you want to log in. Now this is how my own Node Maven account looks like. Now they're going to give you free 2 gig that you can use to get started with this, unlike a lot of companies that requires you to pay money upfront. Okay, now once you are inside of here, it's very simple to use. Come over here, click on proxy setup, and once you click on proxy setup, it's going to redirect you straight to this page. And once you're here, don't mind all the complicated settings. All you have to do is to come over here, click on the drop down arrow, select your country. Now I'm going to go ahead and select my country, and over here you want to go ahead and select a region. I'm going to do Lagos, and I'm going to do Lagos. Now we're doing this so in case our account get banned, you can go ahead and create another account. Also, if we want to manage multiple accounts, let's say we want to create a shop for people that are interested in paint and people that are interested in self-improvement, we can run a bunch of shops. Okay, so I'm just going to set this on 1 because I only need 1 proxy, and after that I'm going to go ahead and copy this. That's how this works. Okay, so just go ahead and copy this, and once you copy this, you want to head back to Dolphin real quick and paste this in here. Okay, after that, check this to see if it's valid, and as you can see here, our proxy is valid. After that, I want to go ahead and click on create profile, and once I click on create profile, you're going to see our profile right here. And from this point, I can go ahead and click on start right here, and once I click on start, it's going to actually launch a fresh new browser profile for me that I can use to start running my business. Okay, so basically once it launches this browser profile, I want to go ahead and create my Etsy account. Okay, I'm going to head over to Etsy real quick, search for that, and I'm going to click on the results here, and it's going to send me straight to Etsy, and I want to go ahead and sign in right here. Okay, I'm going to click on sign in, click on register, and once I click on register, it's going to send me right here where I can register for an account. Okay, so over here it's asking me to fill out my email address. I'm going to fill that in real quick. Okay, fill out my first name, and I'm going to fill out my password. Okay, and after that I want to go ahead and click on register. So it's basically signed me up. So what I'm going to do from this part is I want to click on my profile here, and I want to click on sell on Etsy. Okay, and once I click on there, it's going to send me here, and it says millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. So I'm going to click on get started here, and once I click on get started, it's going to send me here. Okay, so it's going to say welcome Victor and all of that. I want to go ahead and click on let's do this, and over here it's going to send me here. Okay, so it's going to start asking me a bunch of questions. Now you can skip this question or you can click on next, but I'm going to select the first answer there, and I'm going to click on next and see what they have next. Okay, so is there anything you'd like help with? I don't really need help with anything. I'm going to go with skip this question, and over here they're going to ask us now it's time for the fun part. Okay, start your shop. I'm going to click on start your shop, and once we click on start your shop, it's going to send us here. Okay, so our shop language, we're going to leave that on English. Shop country, we're going to select the United States. Shop currency, we're going to leave it on USD, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save and continue. Okay, and and over here they're going to ask us to enter a shop name. Now if you don't know what to name your shop, you can just have ChatGPT do that for you. Okay, so I'm going to open ChatGPT here, and I'm going to have ChatGPT give me a shop name. Okay, I'm going to be like, give me 200 fun names idea for my Etsy shop. Okay, and let's see what ChatGPT does. Okay, so I like this name right here, Timeless Treasure. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so I'm going to paste this here. After that, I want to go ahead and click on save and continue, and it's going to send me straight to the next page of the shop. Okay, so over here they are telling us about the listing. I'm going to leave this on physical items and who made it. So I'm just going to set another company. What is it? I'm going to set a finished product. So over here they're asking us when was it made. You want to click on this field here, and you want to select here where it says made to order. Okay, because it's not made yet. Click on that, and after that you want to go ahead and click on add production partners. Okay, so over here they're going to ask you to create a production partner. So we're just going to go ahead and copy Printify's details and paste that here. So I'm going to open up their website here real quick, and I'm going to copy their business name here, Printify, whatever, and I'm going to paste that in here. Okay, Printify, about the production partner, I'm just going to be like, Printify is a print on demand platform. Okay, so over here is our location. We're going to get Printify's location right here. Let's scroll the way down. We're going to click on terms of service, and I'm going to scroll the way down. We should see their address. It's not here. I'm going to click on privacy policy. So basically this is the address. We're going to grab that real quick. So I actually got the address from the privacy policy page by accessing it below here. Once you click on here, you're going to see the privacy policy. Okay, so I know this video is kind of getting too long, but I don't want to come over here and excite you with all the numbers without actually showing you how this is done. Okay, so I'm going to paste the location there. Please enter the location. So it seems they're not liking the way I pasted the location, so I'm just going to come over here and copy this and paste that in here. So let's go ahead and match the location. So this is the location here. I'm going to leave it at that because that's the actual location of Printify. And over here they're going to ask us about the partnership. Why are you working with this partner? Okay, I'm going to put this on order, and I'm going to be like, because they are a print on demand company and they process all the product orders. Okay, so over here it says what's your role in the design process. So I'm just going to put this on I design everything myself, and over here they're going to ask us what is this partner's role in the production process. I'm going to click on this drop down arrow, and I'm going to leave this on they do everything for me, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save right here, and I'm going to click on done. It seems we did not add our category, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that real quick. Okay, I'm going to be like t-shirt. I'm just going to click one of that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save and continue. And over here we can go ahead and add more details to our shop. Okay, so what I recommend you do is you add a random detail here, because our product has not been yet published. Because if you remember, we are going to need to connect our store in order for us to publish our product. Okay, if you come back here, you see that our product is not yet published, and we need to connect a store before we can publish the product. So we're going to put in random details in here, and when we connect our store, we can fill out our actual product. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill out random details here. I'm going to do test. And for the pictures, I'm just going to upload one of this picture, and after that on the description section I'm going to fill test. And for the personalization, that's not required, and for the price I'm just going to be like $2, and quantity I'm going to do 3. Okay, so if you have multiple variations, you can go ahead and click on add variations here and add different colors, size, and sleeve lengths. So I'm going to do cancel here because I'm not really uploading our product. And over here is the attribute sections. Okay, for the closure I'm just going to fill out something random here, full zip. Okay, primary color I'm going to do black. It's not really black again. Okay, after that I want to choose my size. I'm going to click on this drop down arrow, US letter, and I'm going to go ahead and fill out a random size here. After that I want to scroll down at the sustainability section. You can go ahead and add some details there. I'm going to click on drop down arrow, and I'm going to fill out something random again. I'm going to choose organic cotton, and for the tags I'm just going to fill out something random. I'm going to be like Christmas, and I'm going to be like hoodie. After that, you can go ahead and add the materials. Now, because I want to be fast with this, I'm just going to skip all the part that's not required. Okay, so I want to only focus on the part that has the required field mark like this. Okay, so at the detail section, we already filled that out. It's a physical product. We're going to leave that as it is. And at the category section, it's on hoodie. Okay, and over here at the shipping section, you want to go ahead and select an option. Okay, so go ahead and click on select profile here and click on create one. And over here is the shipping prices. Leave this at default because that's what's recommended. And after that, you want to go ahead and fill out the address. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the zip code of Printify. Okay, because they are in charge of all the handling and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the zip code from here actually, and I'm going to paste that in. After that, I want to go ahead and add the processing time. So I'm going to leave this on 1 to 2 days. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. Okay, the rest of the field is not actually required, so you can go ahead and skip that part. Okay, so this is the weight. I've went ahead and filled out my item weight and the size. Okay, next I want to scroll down. So over here is your renewal option. Now I'm going to leave this on manual. After that, I want to click on save and continue. So basically, now I'm on this page. I can go ahead and add some more listing, but I'm just going to leave this as it is, and I'm going to click on do this letter. Okay, now our email address haven't been verified, so we can go ahead and do that letter. Okay, now it's going to redirect me straight to where I can set up my payment. Okay, so you can go ahead and add that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick, and I'm going to get right back into the video. Basically, I'm done filling out all the details, and in your case, you want to fill out your actual details. Okay, so once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on save and continue right here. Okay, so once you click on save and continue, it's going to redirect you straight to the next page, and this page is exactly where you fill out your ID. So I'm not going to actually do that because the last time I did that on the video got taken down. Okay, you want to go ahead and fill out this information. Okay, all you need is to give them a picture of your ID, and also you want to pose and get a selfie, and after that you want to finish setting the shop. So once you are done creating your account, you can go ahead and start listing your products. Now this is not going to be all flowers and butterflies, because a lot of people will not tell you this, but if you end up creating a bad design that no one cares about, you're not going to sell and you're not going to make any money. Okay, so if you want to see success with this, first off, you want to research what people want. Okay, you want to get in their head and research what people want, and how to get inspiration is by looking at what's already selling. After that, you want to go ahead and create a good design that people want. Okay, so basically I'm going to wrap this up here. Okay, if you want me to create a challenge kind of video where I challenge myself to make money with this print on demand thing, you can go ahead and leave that in the comment section below, and I'm going to go ahead and create a challenge type of video, and I'm going to challenge myself to make anywhere from $200 to $500 per day with this business model. So with all of that being said, if you haven't already, sub to the channel, smash the thumbs up button if you got value out of this video, and I'm going to talk to every single one of you guys in the next video.